Right.
Yeah, I didn't intro this video at all, actually. You want to?
No.
Hey, you guys. Welcome back to our farm. This is the official intro.
The official.
We've already done a few things, so here's that footage. And then after that, I'll show you what we're doing right now, which is following Lee.
He is driving.
Warren's driving. I hope you enjoy this video.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
I'm going to sharpen the blades on the sickle mower a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. We probably won't get real sharp. You hold this piece.
Which one?
All the safety police are going to be on me if I don't wear them safety glasses.
Well, you should be.
Open that gate, plumb around. Open these two back that way. Actually, that one will have to go in, I think.
Ryan, please talk to the microphone.
Come on.
Testing. 1, 2, 3. Did it work?
Yeah.
I'm gonna let you roll.
I'm breaking the microphone. Oh, the microphone broke. Okay. Destruction! I do it.
Whoa, those hornets nest in there.
Why are we having hornet's nest?
Yeah, get back. Go get you.
I didn't say that.
I'm going to get back. No.
Get back away from it. That's not smart. Did it get you?
Nope.
You have to make a mad
He tried to get me.
I'm on the call.
See if this bad boy will start. If it starts, I got to wait about 10 minutes for the pressure to build up.
Hi, Dad. Do you want to drive along the edge of the field or turn around?
Follow me.
We're gonna...
Looks good.
Let out on your brake and then let out on your clutch easy. It'll creep forward.
Like a drum tractor, man.
You don't have. There you go.
Oh, barely.
Keep on the gas
Steady.
and done.
One more time.
Try again. Push on the clutch and you put it down in a second.
Gonna die, huh?
This is archer grass.
Archer.
This her is archer grass.
This is actually
Archer grass.
guys.
It's good for your cows. They eat that and they grow
You're silly.
I forgot.
Field glass.
No,
It is field
it starts
crafts.
with an F.
Field
Fescue?
Fescue. This hers fescue.
Are you sure?
Yes, fescue.
Yep, 100%. See, it looks like sage grass, but it's not.
Because it's fescue.
But it's fescue.
We think.
No, I know. That's what Paul told me, and Paul's never wrong except when he's doing mechanical. Oh wow! Look what Paul
More gas. You need to give more gas. That was touch and go for a second, but we made it.
fescue. It's got skinnier buds on it, and this is orchard grass. It's got big plumpy buds.
Watch out, guys. So he's gonna build this creek crossing up, smooth it out. That way when we get hay,
through here.
yeah, we can pull it through here without any problem.
So you can't pull a trailer over something like that.
But this is load number 1, and he said he's gonna bring back 3 more probably, so.
Now wait, go play with these What did you say?
So he's gonna bring 2 more buckets.
No, look.
Redneck salt.
This is how you do it.
Salt dust.
Look, it's...
Hey Warren, we thought you were guarding the Jeep so nobody else could drive.
Mom, go turn him.
You were? Oh no.
Go, Wyland, go!
Watch out, Whip.
First one's on the new road. A lot better than it was.
No, it's pretty smooth. Ooh, hey, wild woman.
Right there.
You about killed us.
Right now.
We're gonna bale hay on Saturday out of that field. And if we get any of that footage, we'll drop it here.
Dead.
Completely dead. Grandpa told me how to use this the other day.
Time to haul some hay, maybe.
The loader?
Yeah.
What?
Gotta reach.
Don't touch the scissors, Paul. It'll go kablamo.
What's mine is red to
Go
palm.
across the streams.
Dark.
Paul, imagine gonna die when the kid started.
Fine low right there, Paul.
Now, Paul, I'm listening.
You come over there and get me.
You think she gonna start, Paul?
There you go, kablamo. You got it right.
Left clock is ready. No, right marker is not in.
Try it, Way.
Right? Got what you said?
Yeah.
That's not right.
Well, it's just not good enough. Try it again. You gotta be kidding me.
What?
Marcus thinks pulling like this.
That's no good. It's a little rough riding.
Yep.
wants me to drive this truck. We'll see. We'll see. Emergency brake off. But how? I think that's how. And then first.
Yeah.
Have you drove this before?
Grandpa taught me.
Oh, I drove it a little bit a while ago.
He also told me you never put it in low unless you're doing something very, very slowly. We're coming for you, pal. Subscribe to Dynasty Farms.
Bales rolled off the side down there a while ago. He told me we can't put that many on there.
You're just gonna do 6?
I'm gonna do 8.
Damn phone. See you later, Big Joe. There's one of these thingies in all your equipment. And then when you want to talk, you press that little doobie-dabba-da. See that? No, it could work or could not. It's just one of these.
What does that mean?
Coin flipper.
Corn flipper.
Oh my goodness, okay.
You think I should go on this side of the...
Yes, and then you'll go down there and we'll get all of them both.